Hello, George Escola here. I just wanted to take a moment to wish everyone a Happy New Year, or Feliz Año Nuevo, as we say here in Costa Rica. Another bright sunny day here in Costa Rica, and we hope that it continues in the new year. We're now in the dry season, so we think this will continue for us. With some occasional rain here and there. I want to invite you also to follow me on my journey as I build my affiliate marketing business through the next year. We're just getting started. We've built a foundation. We're ready now to build and make it something that produces consistent monthly income for us. And if you'd like to join us and either watch me build my business or join me and build your business with me, I'd invite you to click the link below and take a look at my website. See if there's something there that you like. If there's something that you would like to follow along with, you're welcome to join my VIP club. And we're going to start having weekly meetings on Zoom so that we can keep up to date on what everybody's doing and watch each other's progress and encourage each other along the way. Great things are going to happen in the next year. So happy 2022. Click on the button below and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so you'll be notified of future videos. I will see you on a future video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.